What if I told you you could run an entire business without doing most of the work yourself? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Most people are using AI like a toy, while others are using it to build automated money-making machines. And the scary part? 99% of entrepreneurs don't even know this exists. Right now, people are stuck doing everything manually, finding leads, sending messages, delivering work, while a small group of smart people are letting AI do all of it automatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a system that gets customers, sends messages, and even delivers work without you touching your keyboard. But first, you need to understand one powerful mindset shift. Mindset shift. There are two types of people, the doer and the director. Most people are doers. They do everything themselves. But the real winners? They become directors. They don't do the work. They tell AI what to do. Think of AI like your junior intern. It's smart. It's fast. But it needs direction. Your job is simple. Give instructions and let it work. Problem. Here's where most people go wrong. They use AI, get a response, then go somewhere else, then come back again. They stay stuck in the middle. Instead, ask yourself, why am I leaving this tool? Can AI do this for me? Because the goal is simple. Build end-to-end automation. Stay inside the tool. Step 1, attract. Let's start with step 1. Attract. This is where AI finds your customers for you. All you do is describe your ideal buyer, and AI will find businesses in your niche, collect their contact details, analyze their social media, even identify their pain points. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a full list of warm leads, ready to buy from you. That's the power of AI. Step 2, convert. Now that you have leads, AI writes personalized messages for each one. Not copy-paste garbage. Real messages based on their content, their posts, their business. AI can even send emails, track replies, notify you when someone is interested. You don't chase customers anymore. The system does it for you. Philosophy. Here's a truth most people don't like. Poor people get good at doing tasks. Rich people get good at avoiding them. If something is repetitive, automate it. Rule. Don't repeat yourself. Step 3, deliver. This is where most people get overwhelmed. But with AI, you don't have to. AI can analyze data, create reports, generate insights, build presentations. In minutes, what normally takes days or weeks. You just review it and send it. Power move. Want to stand out? Use AI to create hyper-personalized proposals. Match their branding, their colors, their style. Even turn your report into a website. When clients see that, they'll think you spent days on it, but it took you minutes. Step 4, scale. Now you automate everything. Emails, deeply scheduling, operations. Your entire business runs from one system. That's real leverage. Step 5, human advantage. Now here's the big question. If AI does everything, what makes you special? It comes down to 3 things. Taste, knowing what's good. Vision, seeing the future. Care, understanding people. Because business is not B2B. It's human to human. AI can't replace that. Self-improvement. So use AI to free your time and focus on becoming better. Study the best in your field. Learn future trends. Understand people deeply. That's how you win. Final message. Here's the truth. AI can build your business. AI can teach you. AI can automate everything. So the real question is, were you pretending not to know? If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. The future belongs to people who learn how to use AI, not the ones who ignore it. See you in the next video.